Hey everybody, Brett here, and today I'm going to give you a little tip and trick to figure out what transmission you have in your half-ton, three-quarter-ton, one-ton, either Chevrolet or GMC pickup truck. It'll also work for your Tahoe or SUV. Now you may want to know how many speeds your transmission has and know which transmission is in your vehicle for diagnosing purposes or just curiosity. Or maybe you have to list it like me at a dealership for the website or something. So this is how you do it. It's pretty easy. All you're going to need is the key. So you're going to want to put that to the ignition setting, let it turn on. Now you're going to have the shifter with the tap shift on it. You're going to want to take this and put it down until you get to low, and then you're going to want to hit the plus button on here until it won't go up anymore. So it stops at 8. I know that this truck has the 8-speed automatic transmission. Put it back into park, turn the key off, and it is really that simple. And I hope it was helpful, and if it was helpful, give me a like and subscribe on the YouTube channel, getting closer to 1,000 subscribers every day, and then we can really do a lot of fun stuff with this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments below how it helped you out, and have a great day.